Donna, for Christ's sake, boys, let me talk to my daughter. Maybe I'll never be seeing her again.
Give him a word with her.
You're wearing a black dress.
We did not know it. Why did you?
I must have been out of my head, Rose.
She never opened her eyes
It might not have looked like it to you, but I loved her too. We loved her too. I couldn't stand to see nobody taking her away from me, for I loved her too.
so gentle, always so good and sweet.
I'd then drink and rolls, see what I mean, and all the talk that went around. There always was something inside of me, right here like a wall. Seems like I never could break through, but I swear to God, Rose, that I loved her too. I love her too. Yes, I loved her too.
What do they do to you, Pop?
It's the chair for me, I guess, but I don't care. Let them give me the chair. I don't care. The way she looked at me, that look in her eyes, Rose, I oughtn't have done it.
She always was gentle.
I oughtn't have done it. I must have been crazy. I must have been out of my Give me a chance, can't you? What's going to become of you, Rose?
I'll be all right, Pop. Don't worry about me.
Look out for Will.
I'll do all
You're a good girl. You always was a